What's good, YouTube? Um, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Um, Today we caught shorts. All right. Today is July 27th, 2026. Coming into the day, I was bullish. I know how crazy this sounds. The reason for that is I wanted to see us kind of go higher into this daily gap, like a deeper retracement. It's also paired with a 4 hour. I low key just wanted to see us go a little deep, a little more, just a little more, then go lower. And overall, I still caught the shorts. It wasn't a great trade. I'm not gonna influence y'all to take the trade I just took because it was just a pure game. But the reason for that, I did just cop a new set of evals plus the funded ones that I have. So I was just low key just trying to pass these. So I low key put my multipliers on my other evals, but I de-risked on my actual funded accounts. So I went 5 contracts in, had multipliers on the evals, and then for the main accounts, which were the fundeds, I didn't have any multipliers on them. So I made around $399 times my 10 accounts. So overall, the trade is not good whatsoever, and I'm gonna explain why. We don't have a clear entry. So today I basically just took what was on the book maps and the deep charts and basically just discount price paired with a fair value gap, which is not good. The reason for that, we don't have no sense of direction. And also I traded before now I wouldn't say before market open, but before we have actual structure, which if we trade like this continuing, down the years or whatever, the chances of this actually playing out is just slim. You know what I'm saying? Like the actual win rate on this is probably like a 30 out of 100%, right? So, anyways, I did get stopped in profit. I was trailing aggressively. I wasn't really trying to, you know, catch the move all the way down, of course. But coming into the day, I was completely, I would say completely like bearish, not bearish, bullish. But I did, like I said, I caught these shorts to flip my bias. I traded to liquidity. So if we do, let's go here. Coming in, I wanted to see we're completely, bearish. I want to see full displacement or full closure below the 925 open. Let's do that. So coming in, I seen that okay, we have hella orders just resting here, right? So I could have just set my sell limit here, of course, but the move happened so fast that it's like, bro, I missed entry or I forgot to set my limit order for the sales to go lower. So I just caught the continuation, bro. So once we tapped into here, I literally entered, I'll say, oops. I literally entered around like right here is when I entered. Let's see. Like yeah, like right. It was realistically it was right here, but I entered there. From there, I entered my sales position, bro. Had my stop loss here, my TP like right here. Originally it was above here. I didn't want us to run past this 1 minute gap. Tapped into here, then run lower. But once we displaced a little bit lower, actually, let me do it this way. So let me take this off. This looks way better, more accurate. Okay. All right, I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. But realistically, I entered right here, right below here. So originally I had my stop loss, I'll say above the gap period because I didn't want price to basically run up higher, tap into here, then go lower. Also, like this new week opening gap is a strong draw on liquidity. So of course I'm gonna target it. So I had my originally like right here, then TP just fully smacks. But I did get stop break even, of course. Because originally, like, bro, I think my stop was all the way to the new week opening gap, like right here. Not my stop, my take profit. But I was trailing aggressively, so I got stopped in profit. But overall, that was the trade. I would not future reference, bro. I wouldn't take something like this. It was just a pure like I'll just say gamble basically. I just traded to draw liquidity. But overall, I don't think this would be a new trade. Like it just wouldn't be a trade day for me personally, especially for future reference, bro. Because it's a no news day and it's a Monday. close Monday paired with no news. I normally don't trade that, but if it does look good, I'm gonna trade it, of course. And if I have strong conviction and all my, confluences are aligned. But overall, I think market is just gonna be continuous chop. The reason for that is when these are correlating assets, NQ and ES. So if one is doing complete damage, you could just sort of see the other one try to catch up, or if not, struggle to catch up and then chop around. So overall, I'm not gonna take any more trades. I know a lot of people probably take this 2 minute. Well, is it 2 minute or is this 1 minute? The reason it's garbage, bro, it didn't work out is because we just had a liquidity sweep, right? And not even that. This RR is just completely dog, bro. There's just nothing here but the liquidity sweep and the inversion, and then the RR itself is just dog shit. So yeah, that was just the trade for today, bro. We made around 3 racks. If you do want to learn from me, which is like free, you could just join the Discord or DM me on Instagram. I am taking a new set of not new set, what the hell, new students, around 5. That's all I have room for right now. So if you do want to learn, just always hit me up on Instagram or just hit me up on Discord, which I will literally link both in the description. But that was just the trade for today. See you guys next time. I'll probably be here tomorrow if we have news, which I'm not sure if we do, but I will be here tomorrow, of course. So thank you guys for watching, bro. Peace.